A second person has now died from a poisoning incident at a senior living facility in San Mateo. While prosecutors are reviewing possible charges, the family as one of those victims has now filed a lawsuit. KTVU's Mark Sayer is live now for us in San Mateo with details. Mark.
Well, Heather, this occurred at the Atria Park Senior Facility. We're just to the east of Highway 101 off Hillsdale Boulevard. At the time of this incident, the company put out a statement admitting that its staff served some kind of dishwashing liquid to several residents. 93-year-old Peter Schroeder is one of two seniors who died as a result of this incident. The other was 93-year-old Trudy Maxwell, a mother of 9, seen here in a photo shortly before her death. The company says its staff served dishwashing liquid to the victims instead of juice. Both victims were taken to the hospital. Schroeder passed away on September 7th.
There's a pattern of neglect that happened. It's not just one incident that happened.
Catherine Stebner is the attorney for the children of victim Peter Schroeder.
From an outsider, it looks like a mistake, but it's not actually a mistake. It's something that happens when you don't have enough people and enough trained people.
The wrongful death lawsuit filed in San Mateo County Superior Court is also alleging elder abuse and negligence on the part of Atria Park and its owners. The suit also questions claims about the dishwashing liquid, saying it was a stronger cleaner, which led to a painful death.
We believe that it was a chemical that was actually protein eating, which is much worse than a dishwashing soap. So it actually, when he ingests it, it actually eats the protein in your body. So it's much worse than just drinking soap.
The San Mateo Police Department was called to the scene on August 26th, but both of the victims who eventually died had already been transported to the hospital. The San Mateo PD investigation into the deaths was completed last week and sent to the San Mateo County District Attorney's Office to review for possible criminal charges.
It raises a whole panoply of concerns. Because obviously we're talking the most vulnerable we're dealing with here, these elderly people who are in a home because they need assistance.
DA Steve Wagstaff says the review will also include a big picture look at the facility.
Whether or not they involve somebody dying or whether somebody being given something to drink that was poisonous, I want to know if there's a history in the facility of people slipping, falling, inadequate care, inadequate staff. We want to know that for our purposes too.
Now, the company did issue a statement after the initial incident offering condolences to the first victim. We did reach out to the company today to see if it had any additional comment. We did not receive a reply. As to the district attorney, he says there is no specific timeline on when a decision will be made in this case on criminal charges, but it is currently actively under review. Reporting live in San Mateo, I'm Mark Sayer, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
Mark, thank you.